To you who once called home mountains, plains, and forests, a social animal, fierce, proud, wandering with free reins. Your pack was your life, hunting party, nighttime security. You always felt at peace, tucked in with the family. Time proved our chemistry was much more than a trend. Now they even say that you're my closest friend. I taught you to protect us and to guide our way. From you I learned the true meaning of love, trust, and play. Nowadays your pack has evolved in nature. You've become accustomed to a different pasture, far away from your own and the peace of a tribe, in a world emitting a hectic hustle vibe. I realized changes could be hard on you. I'll do my best to see your needs attended to. You, my dog, my friend, my faithful companion. You deserve to be happy. It's my #1 mission.